Hello everyone. Now today I am here to give you some insights on the important topics of marketing. So remember, whenever you are studying marketing, take care of these points in marketing and start your preparation on this vital subject called marketing. So let us start. Now whenever you are preparing marketing, the first topic that you should go for is always my favorite too, that is product life cycle. Product life cycle, which marks the various stages like introduction, growth, maturity and decline, and the strategies to be used in various stages of product life cycle. So that is the first topic that you should go for, an interesting one and a very important topic as far as marketing is concerned. Number 2, then you can go for nature, scope and importance of marketing. Now that is always the examiner's favorite, the subject matter that comprises of the nature, scope and importance of marketing. Number 3, you should go for basis of market segmentation, how the market is divided into various factors like gender, age, demography. So you should study the factors on which the whole market it is divided, segmented. Along with that, go for targeting and positioning strategies. So basis of market segmentation, and whenever you are studying segmentation, do take care of these vital points like targeting and positioning strategies. Then marketing research, areas and techniques. Now marketing research is very vital because you have to conduct some research, then only you will be able to conduct a successful marketing campaign. So marketing research, areas and techniques. After that, pricing objectives and methods. So various objectives that are used in pricing and the various strategies or the methods to be adopted in pricing. Next is channels of distribution, the types of channels of distribution and selection of the best channel of distribution. So that is another important aspect of marketing. Then you should go for sales promotion, the concept of sales promotion and the various tools of sales promotion with special emphasis on advertising and personal selling. So advertising and personal selling, you can have a full scale question on advertising itself, such is the vitality of advertising in marketing. Along with that, go for personal selling also in the tools or the sales promotion methods. Then you should go for marketing control, techniques and phases. Marketing, that is marketing audit. Many times you've got essays on marketing audit. You are asked to give a description of marketing audit, the process of marketing audit, the concept of marketing audit. So you should always go for the process as well as the concept of marketing audit. And finally, another important concept is branding and packaging, the concept of branding, packaging and the importance of branding packaging. So these are my suggestions for you as far as this paper of marketing is concerned. Do go through all these topics of marketing. Wishing you all the best for your examinations.